number 57, AMKC Gobipal. Match number 1 in the booster round. Where commentator. As we say, it's a big day and Sagar Pancha blows the whistle. It's a booster round. We just kick started. Match number 1 of a booster round. AMKC Gobi. Top 6 spot of A team of Pool A Wells University. Manoj Kumar starts off with proceeding for AMKC Gobi. Yes, this is the player who was a game-changing raider. But then he did not finish within 30 seconds. My God, 30 seconds raid clock. The pressure is piling up already for AMK Gobi. As we say, 30 seconds is the raid clock. You need to come back to your own. An empty raid from Sarthi there. But then I don't think they would be under a lot of pressure. But the pressure is there. If they lose, they will lose the 2 points. And what a brilliant dash! Follow through coming up from the left cover. Wow.
1 point each.
1 point each.
One defender also out of bound.
Let's see who stepped. Decision right on time from the referees. Good one.
जी बिल्कुल राइट डिसीजन राधिका, लेकिन एक वक्त ऐसा लगा कि जिस तरीके से डैश किया गया वहां पर जिसने डैश किया उसे अवेयर रहना चाहिए क्योंकि वो अकेला खिलाड़ी था.
And look who is being taken off. He slips into the thigh hold of the right cover. And the first defensive point on board stood on patiently. And it's a do or die raid for Wells University as well. Tirupagal Anbu. And Wells University had a 3.3 do or die raid per match. And here, first raid points on board for Wells University here. And that too on a do or die raid. Multiple points given away by AMKC Gobi. The frontal block, the stands were not very too strong. That's what we say. The center of gravity had to be there for the cover defense Wells University.
जी हाँ, अजित कुमार वहां रेड लगाने के लिए गए थे, वापस आए 5 और 2 का स्कोर. गोकुल राज रेड लगाने के लिए. और मैच की शुरुआत में एएमकेसी गोबी थोड़ी सी स्लो नजर आ रही है और ये स्लो होना उन पे मुश्किलात का सबब पैदा कर सकता है. फिर से एक बार यहाँ पे वेल्स यूनिवर्सिटी को मिला है 1 पॉइंट.
Golden is okay, but will they be able to make the best use of this super tackle opportunity? Mamji is being called in. You can still play the end line. There are a lot of space. And for the raider, Tirukumar and Murugan, 62% is the raid strike rate, and again effortless raiding is what we.
3 और 12 का स्कोर. सारथी अमरनाथ सुब्रमण्यम यहाँ रेड लगाने के लिए आए हैं और जैसा कि हम देख रहे हैं पकड़े जाएंगे सारथी. आज यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा प्रदर्शन में निखार की जरूरत है अमरनाथ को, तो फिर कमाल हो जाता है.
Absolutely, and Tirukumar and Murugan is the raider, and again multi-points. When you execute a skill and if the raider is facing the midline, that is what gives the momentum to the raider. And this is what exactly we have seen in this raid, Navneet. Let's get back to the action and explain what happened here. You know, he wanted to execute a bonus and soon he faces the midline. That's where any errors creeping it from the defense.
नीचे से आप खेलते हैं ये बहुत आपके जीत को हेल्प करेगा क्योंकि आप फ्यूचर देख सकते हैं. यहाँ पे अगर समय वेस्ट किया जाए तो एएमकेसी गोबी के लिए मुश्किलात का सबब.
Absolutely. And also if Wells University, of course, if they get the lead, the coach is good at rotating the players as well, so that every player in the team from the bench is also very well prepared for the tough situations. So that is what we might get to see. We might get the full bench strength coming back and playing. And look at that. 4 of them is there, but the Raiders slipping off from the center. This shot of talent here.
जी इसी बीच एक किक मारा है और यकीनन वहां टच हुआ है राधिका। सारथी अमरनाथ और एक पॉइंट लेकर के जाएंगे।
At least push him off. You don't have the time. Push him off the court. Oh
1
my
point.
God.
West University, number 2 out.
AMKC Gobi. 7 unsuccessful raids from there. No raid points so far. What's happening, guys? You know, brilliant kick executed. The right corner just stood there watching the play for the Pool B teams. So that cannot be an excuse at all. And another tackle point for
Run out.
AMKC Gobi now.
1 point.
The Raiders
AMKC.
need to fire here, Navneet. Defense is still okay. They're getting points. Just going in for a fluke attempt is not possible. Less than 40 seconds in the first half. Wells University have just lost the review. Gokul Raj is the Raider and a brilliant back hold. Now look at the technique
1
the
point.
defender used,
West
Navneet.
University.
He hops one step ahead of the Raider, takes the proper grip.
यकीनन, लेकिन इसी बीच फिर से एक बार कमलेश कुमार रेड लगाने के लिए वेल्स यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए आया। 4 का घर है, 2 यहाँ पे जोड़ियों में चेंज दिख रहे हैं, लेकिन क्या यहाँ पे कुछ टच मिलेगा, क्या कुछ पॉइंट्स ले पाएंगे? वक्त गुजरता है और यहाँ पे 2 खिलाड़ियों का सफा आया।
2 points. West University, number 9 and 8 out.
Yeah, anybody coming in as a Raider is making it big. A kick executed, but then the speed of the Raider. Back hold, not possible. Just going in just to go for it. You know, halftime done. What a lead, 28-8 fine. But then at least the show up that is from Wells University. Again, the last player remaining. Will this be the third all out? Mathavan is the Raider. But then no intentions at all. Navneet is just waiting for the mistakes from Wells University.
Written
That will
on
never
the wall.
happen.
Radhika written on the wall.
Run out. 1 plus 2, 3 points.
Absolutely,
West
because you know his
University.
intentions are
Run
not
out.
good.
AMKC.
Third all-out points for Wells University, but the defense setup is also not good. And ankle hold. Look at the support.
Run out.
This shows
1 point. West
lovely
University.
coordination between the corners and the covers. They understand when the corners will attack and when they need to be ready for the support. As soon as the ankle is being taken, the left cover comes with a dash. Wells University is standing on second. Just 1 point difference between both the teams in Navneet. And if Wells University, of course, they'll go ahead and win this match. They will be the table topper for now. You know, a lot of changes will happen in the booster round. This is the battle of supremacy. And Thirukumar and Murugan,
1
5 or 8
point.
points in
West
this match
University.
already. And
Number 5
again,
out.
still roaring in style. The lobbies without the contact of the Raider.
अड़तीस और 12 कमलेश कुमार एक बार फिर से और इस बार देखिए राधिका, इस बार अंतर क्या हुआ? अकेला खिलाड़ी वहां नहीं था, दोस्तों का साथ मिला, अपने साथी खिलाड़ियों का साथ मिला, और जब साथ मिलता है तो आपके
4 members in the defense. Thirukumar and Murugan is the player. 2 on the far corner. Now he needs to attack the far corner. He needs to attack the right flank. 30 seconds is the red clock. You're falling short of the time, but then brilliant attack on the
1
left
point.
corner.
West University.
Easy peasy.
Number 33 out.
Do or die raid. Points awarded for West. Yep. Oh my God.
Raiders
Did the
have
defender
2
anti-cross?
points.
Did the
AMKC,
defender
number
anti-cross?
8.
Let's see what happened in
And
this
88 out.
tackle. 8 and 88, both the players are out. Wells University do not have the review left. Let's get back. A frontal block coming in. Nice outward turn from the Raider. And did he reach the midline? He reached the midline. No anti-cross. The Raider reached the midline. This is some struggle. Both the teams lost the review.
जी रिव्यू चला गया है। अरुल विश्वनाथन यहाँ रेड लगाने के लिए आए हैं। 41 और 15 का स्कोर है।
6 मिनट का खेल शेष है और यहाँ पे फोर्स लगाते हुए दो खिलाड़ियों का
AMKC
3 पॉइंट यानी वेलेबल सुपर रेट देखने को मिला है। ये
Something to celebrate
Radhika.
for AMKC Gobi. Both the teams lost the review. Now look at that. It's my trip Kabaddi Kamal moment. Running bonus attempt failed and both the corners comes in, and this is what, as the coach said, you know, show some fight. Actually,
सुपर टैकल ऑन है और 3 खिलाड़ी यहाँ मौजूद है। राधिका, बूटीज सुपर टैकल देखने को मिलेगा या नहीं ये तो देखना पड़ेगा। और अरुण विश्वनाथन आए हैं और रास्ता ढूंढ लिया है रास्ता और सफाया कर दिया है।
3+2
होने वाला था यहाँ पे
AMKC all out
राधिका।
5-pointer.
जी हाँ, और
Wow.
होने क्या वाला था, सुपर टैकल की बात हो रही थी, लेकिन यहाँ हमें वेलेबल सुपर रेट देखने को मिला है।
Of course, it is my trip Kabaddi Kamal moment. There was a jersey pull as well. So it is that the Raider is safe. 3 touch points and 2 for the all-out. Maybe they do not want to give up. And it was a do-or-die raid for Wells University. You know, you would have gone back quickly. Sarathi, Amarnath, Subramanian had done very, very good for the team so far. And 7 or 8 points already for this player. Backhold, phenomenal.
run it out 1 point AMKC.
Now let's get back. What was the technical point all about? He touched the opponent court before he got onto the raid. Nice backtracking, multiple points for Wells University.
जी हाँ, ये गेम लगातार। जी हाँ राधिका,
You know, the technical point was given because of and his legs are still in his own court. That means it was kind of a double entry.
Match over.
And yes, of course, and in the defense as well.